back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a beautiful day so far. For today's video, I have a fashion haul for you guys for spring/summer, and the majority of pieces that you're going to see are from Forever 21 because of course I love to shop there, and I especially love to shop there for summertime because you can get so many great pieces and at a really good price. And I really don't love to spend so much money on just like summer clothing because it's seasonal clothing and you're only going to wear it for a couple of months, so why not try and get the best deals that you can get. So yeah, everything that you're gonna see is from Forever 21 except maybe one or two things. So yeah, let's just jump into this haul. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna start off by showing you guys all the tops that I picked up first. And the first top I have is this white flowy shirt with a scooped neck, and the back is a little longer than the front, and it's just very relaxed fitting and so comfortable. You can wear this with tights, you can wear this with jeans, you can wear this with some shorts. I just really liked it. It's white. I feel like it's a classic type of top and color to have in your wardrobe, so that's why I picked it up. And this is a size large, and it cost $12.90, so really wasn't bad. I really like this top. The next top I have is kind of the same style, but this one, you know, is not spaghetti strap, and it's this mustard colored top, and it's also longer in the back than it is in the front. And what I really liked about this top is the detailing here in the back. It has these buttons and it just looks so pretty, and I absolutely love this color on my skin. I think it looks great. And I love long tops like this because you can wear them with tights. You can also wear them with shorts or jeans, whatever you prefer, but you could, they're just versatile and you can wear them a lot of different ways. The next top I picked up, did I say the price for that one? I got this shirt in a medium and the price is $14.90. Okay, the next top I got, this is my favorite. I love this color. It's like this rusty color. Oh my gosh, I just freaking am obsessed with it. Anyway, this is the next top that I picked up, and it's also sleeveless with like the round scoop neck. Also a nice flowy top. The material on all these tops are like nice and airy, which is perfect to keep you nice and cool in the summertime. This top I got in a size large, and it cost $8.90, and I feel like the material is so good for the price. It's just awesome, and I love this top to wear with anything high-waisted, whether it's shorts, jeans, skirt. Oh, just love it, and I can't wait to wear it. The next top I have here is this like spaghetti strapped shirt in this blush color, and it has black polka dots all over it, and I just thought it was so cute and so fun to wear like on a morning day, like out for a morning brunch or something, or breakfast. And again, it's nice and flowy and very airy and just perfect for very, very hot summer days. And this top I got in a size medium, and it cost $9.90, and it brings this like material for you to wear like as a tie, like a necktie. I'm definitely probably not going to give that use, but hey, if you want to wear a necktie, it brings a necktie. So the next top I got is this black boxy cropped tee, and this is very casual, very basic. It has a pocket right here. It fits so comfortable. Again, nice and airy material to keep you nice and fresh in the summertime. This shirt I got in a medium, and it cost $7.90. Again, also I'm gonna style this with something high-waisted because it is cropped, you know, but I love this shirt. And then the last two tops that I got are the same thing. They're just two classic v-neck tees, one in black and the other one in white, but these are from UNIQLO, and these cost $9.90 each, and they're just classic t-shirts, and I feel like you always have to have tees in your wardrobe because they're just easy to throw on with anything, and you know, you run out the door. But these tees, the material are just so good on them. I freaking love the material on the UNIQLO t-shirts, and they're not that expensive. It's, well, the black one let me see, the black one costs $12.90, I believe, and the white one, yeah, the black one is $12.90 and the white one costs $9.90. But regardless, it's a really good quality material, so I really wanted to buy these t-shirts because of that. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys the skirts that I picked up. And the first one I picked up is this black pencil skirt right here, and it has a slit right in the front. At first when I tried this skirt on, I thought the slit went in the back, but no, it turns out that the slit goes in the front. And this skirt I got in a size small, and it cost $8.90, and the material is really nice for the price. I really love how this skirt fits. I definitely plan to wear this skirt with either the black boxy cropped black tee, or I'm gonna wear it with this shirt because this shirt is just everything. But yeah, either one of those tops I plan to wear this skirt with. I love how it fits. It fits me at the knee, and then it has that nice slit in the front to make it a little sexy. So I can't wait to wear that outfit like on a nice date night with my husband. All right, the next skirt that I picked up is this pencil skirt as well, but this one fits above the knee, and this has like this what is this called? It's marled, I think. Is it marled? I don't know, but it has these lines that run along, you know, the on the material, and I thought it was gonna be more like a thicker material, like more on the sweater side, but it's really stretchy, this thing. Like, it's super spandexy. But I really loved the color. I love this nude blush color, and this skirt I got in a small, and the price is $9.90. So again, I'll be wearing this probably with any top, like definitely probably a white top, but maybe something cropped, maybe not cropped, I don't know. But I really like how that skirt fits as well. And then the last skirt that I picked up is this long maxi skirt, and it's olive green, and I love olive green. And then it has a nice slit along the side here. I absolutely love this skirt. I got this skirt in a size small, and it costs $14.90, and I love how it fits, and I love that it fits me like right like to my ankle. It's not super long, but it's not like, oh wow, that's supposed to be a maxi, and it's not a maxi on you. I just love the fit. I love this black band that it has to like cinch in your waist, and I just feel like it's perfect. I love this skirt. I would definitely wear this skirt with a nice black crop top or a white crop top. I don't know, but I love this skirt. So now I'm gonna move on to the dresses that I picked up, and I picked up this nice white t-shirt dress, and this dress I got in a size medium, and it cost $19.90. And I was so pleasantly surprised when I received my order, and I touched them and I felt the material, because I thought that this material was going to be more like on the t-shirt side, but it turns out to be nice and thick, and I was very pleasantly surprised. So happy, because I thought it was going to be like sheer. Also, I thought it was going to be see-through, because sometimes Forever 21 dresses can be really see-through, and I'm not about that see-through life. So yeah, I picked up this t-shirt dress, and it fits me below my knee. And I just love the color white for summer. I feel like white dresses just look so fresh and pretty, so that's why I picked that up. Alright, so the next dress I picked up is this black little mini dress, and it has this lace detailing here in the front, which is very on trend on tops, on dresses, this whole lace thing that's happening. This one is not very deep, because, you know, I'm not about showing all that cleavage, but I feel like you can't go wrong with black dresses, whether they're long, midi, mini, because they're just classic, and I feel like every girl has to have a couple of black dresses in their closet, because if you don't know what to wear, you can always wear a black dress anywhere. So yeah, I picked this up in a medium, and this dress cost $19.90, and I just really liked it. I felt like it looked very casual, but also you can wear it dressy. And then like I said before, it has this nice lace up here in the front, which is very on trend. And yeah, I just really loved it, so I picked that up. And then finally, guys, I picked up this see-through little number for the beach. I've been looking for a cover-up for the beach. I really want a lace one, but I haven't been able to find it. What I have seen in the store, even the size larges, looks super tiny, and I want it to fit me loose. I want to be comfortable in it. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, this could definitely work as well. It's like a little maxi number, and it's see-through, and it's black, and I love black. And I know you're probably thinking, oh, you're gonna wear black to the beach, but I wear black anywhere because I just love black. Anyway, this was actually on sale for $6.99. It was previously on sale for $10.99, and I don't know what the original price was, but when I saw that $6.99 price, I definitely was like, okay, you're coming home with me. So I got this in a medium because it's the only one that was there, and it was a medium, so I took it. But it does fit nice, and I'm really happy to have found it because it was cheap, and it's gonna do the trick for covering me up when I'm at the beach. Okay guys, so that is it for this haul. These are all the pieces that I have recently picked up for spring/summer. I really hope you guys enjoyed what you saw, and I will link everything down below in case you want to purchase any items for yourself. And thanks again for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.